Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error a current driver on your PC may be better than the driver we are trying to install. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on start, then click on settings. Now scroll down and here guys you will see troubleshoot, open it. Now select other troubleshooters. And here guys, this fourth option, Windows Update, click on run. Now guys, close and restart your PC. And guys, still you are facing this error, so try second method. Click on start and type CMD. Right click on command prompt or run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type this command line sfc / scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this process. And once you complete this process, close it and restart. And after restart, you can try third method. Click on start and type CMD. Run as administrator. Now here guys, you need to type this command line DISM / online / cleanup -image / and restore health. Then press enter. And also guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this process. And once this complete, restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart, you can fix error a current driver on your PC may be better than the driver we are trying to install. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.